back to another video. We're here in Seguin. We just pulled up here to this Corvette meet. We're gonna go film a little montage for you guys, and then we're gonna head down to San Antonio, downtown San Antonio actually. And there's supposed to be a cool old school meet going on. There might be some supercars there too. Talked to one of my buddies the other night. He's gonna be there with his R8, so we're gonna have some content at that as well. So let's just go ahead. Mitch and I are gonna go walk around, film a little montage for you guys, and then head to San Antonio. So let's get it. Roll the montage.
The guy with the black beanie.
We just left the Corvette meet. It's pretty fun, honestly. I didn't want to bore you guys with every single Corvette there, so just filled up gas, obviously, and now we are headed down to San Antonio. We're gonna stop by Cane's first, grab some food, and we're gonna go have some fun. So we'll see you there. Check inside of this one out. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to go check out Mitch's channel, and also it's my homie Adrian. He's in the Air Force. He's visiting. We've just been kicking it today. He's about to come to the house, and we lived in Turkey for a hot minute together, so it's cool catching up and showing him all these cool cars and meeting all the people. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next Friday. Peace.